one batch, glue to another.
Now knead each batch until the color is evenly distributed.
Wow, look at those colors. Our Play-Doh just got a whole lot more exciting.
Let's start shaping and creating with our colorful Play-Doh. Mitt, look at all the vibrant colors we have.
This one is green, like a frog. And this one is red, like a ripe apple.
Yellow reminds me of the shining sun on a summer day.
Look, Mo, pink, it's my favorite color.
Pink is so pretty. Mitt, it reminds me of cotton candy. And this one is white. And white is like fluffy clouds floating by.
Mo, deep blue, your favorite color, just like the clear sky above us.
Let's make some shapes now, Mitt.
Great idea, Mo. Yeah! How about we start with a circle shape? Circle.
I'm making a rectangular shape. Mo. Rectangular.
You know which shape this is, Mo?
Yeah, it's a heart. Heart.
Wow, Mo, you're making a star. Star.
Now it's my turn to make a square, Mitt. Square.
Look, Mo, I made an octagon with 8 sides. Octagon.
I'm making a flower shape with 5 leaves, Mitt. Flower shape. Oh, right. Let me make a triangle with 3 angles. Triangle.
I am making shape of water drop. Water drop shape.
And this one is last shape.